The 211 webpage shows several categories that can help you or someone you know live a healthier, safer, and better quality of life. All organizations recommended on the 211 site go through a review process so they are safe. These community assets in no way replace the role of a case manager, but rather enhance your support system from food to childcare to emergency shelters to financial assistance. 211 connects you to help for crisis situations and meeting your basic needs. We know employment, paid or volunteer, helps us live a more stable life. Let's say we're looking for work and want to know organizations that could help us through that process. As we can see, we scroll through the 211 menu. Each button has a handy visual icon to orient us. We see on the far right by the $ icon, income/employment. As you can see, when we click on the $, it turns red and a new menu of options is available. We're looking for a job and 2 options seem relevant for that. The first option on the menu that says employment assistance, but also the job readiness/training. The third down. And after all, we may want to consider training first and then job searching. First, we'll select employment assistance and see what that reveals. When you click on employment assistance, you may get a new window that pops up and asks you to type your current city, or this may not come up because your computer's smart enough to know where you are. If you are in a rural area, you may want to choose within a 100-mile radius of a city zone. I'm in Missoula, Montana, so if a window pops up asking where I am, I can start typing M for Missoula to get to that option faster rather than scrolling down. Once I get to the employment assistance page, I see 4 sources of help for my job searching. The first is the Youth Career Center. Looks like the Youth Career Center offers resume and interview prep, but it's focused on young people. Am I young enough to qualify? I may call to ask. And next, I see the Missoula Job Service. It looks like they too offer interview practice, resume writing, aptitude tests for adults of any age. This may be the better option for me and other adults compared to youth career. People Ready is the next option, and it's a little more vague as to what they offer, but Work Today, Cash Today is certainly appealing in a pinch. But I may need to go on their web page or call the number provided to explore exactly what they do. Finally, I see a church job service group called Union Gospel Mission of Missoula. This too looks like a possible immediate option. I can check mark all of these options to print or copy down their phone numbers in a notebook. From there, I can show my list to a family member or case manager, or I can contact these services by phone or in person to learn more. It feels good to have gotten 4 possible answers to my question so fast. Remember how we picked the first option in this menu, employment assistance, but then made a note to remember this third option too, job readiness training? We may find that we want to review other options to help our job search. So let's click on job readiness and training and see what we get. And now we see some new options we can add to our list. We also see that the organization People Ready shows up again among the options. We saw that when we clicked on both employment assistance and job readiness / training, because People Ready is relevant to both categories. We hope this gave you a helpful overview of how to use the 211 website. Leave any questions in the comments and we'd love to help you further.